So first, let's update the site identity. In the WordPress dashboard, go to the left side and click Settings, and then General. Set your site title to your blog name. Write a short tagline that explains what your blog is about. 1 sentence is enough. Something like this should do. Next, upload a site icon. This is also called a favicon. This is the tiny image that shows up in browser tabs and bookmark bars. WordPress recommends a square image of at least 512 by 512 pixels. If you created your logo on logo.com, you can download a favicon or monogram from your brand kit. Or if you already have a logo but don't have a favicon, you can convert it to a favicon using favicon.io. You can even generate simple icons using text or emojis. Just make sure that the image is square. I'll upload a monogram. You may be prompted to crop your image, but if it's already square, you shouldn't need to do this. You can just click Crop Image. There we go. Now you can see what the site icon will look like. Scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page.